I have no idea if this will works out or not, but
I mean, we were just sitting back, you know, chopping it up, reminiscing about the good old days and all that. You know, tracking my roots, where I came from and where I'm going. But like I say, man, always said it. It's not about the destination.
today is Monday and I have a full week of appointments ahead of me. Starting with tomorrow, where I'm in a co-working place. On Wednesday I have a lunch meeting, and on Thursday we meet friends in the city. And on Friday I'm in the city as well for another appointment. I'm sick of taking the bus and the subway, so I really need to repair our scooter. This scooter story is a never-ending story and an ongoing project since several weeks and months now. Last year I had our neighbor who tried helping me.
Normalerweise, wenn ich jetzt hier abziehe, müsste ein bisschen.
And several weeks ago I had a friend of a gym here who also tried to help me with the scooter, but we had no luck. And because my fingers are all thumbs, I'm gonna try it now on my own. Wish me luck. I can really need it. Current status is not the following. Last time I already bought a new battery and installed it. And a friend of mine and me as well filled the tank with new gasoline. We also opened the Variomatic. This one right here. And we sprayed it with jump starter spray, whereupon the scooter has started. But the scooter keeps going off and it feels like that it is running out of petrol, which is not the case, but yeah. After my research on the internet, I found some points which may cause the problem. The spark plug, the petrol hose, or maybe mud in the tank. Overall, everyone is saying that it has to do something with the fuel supply. I'm quite sure that the problem is the carburetor. It can be clogged or dirty, so I'm going to remove it now and have a look at it. This is not true. I completely broke the bit. I just started to loosen the screws of the carburetor, and now, see, I already loosened this one right here, and this one here as well. And this is the last screw. This is the screw I broke the ratchet. And these are, by the way, all the tools I have. Oh, no. I mean, it was just a giveaway, but Mann! Okay. So I could drive to the Bauhaus and buy the tools I need, but this would make not any sense. So I'm going to ask our caretaker of the gym, because I know that he has a lot of tools and maybe I can borrow them to repair the scooter. So I'm going now to the gym. Oh, come on, this is so unnecessary. Why did it broke? So I'm going to the gym now and get the tools I need. Okay. I'm looking for a slotted screwdriver here. But look at this mess. How am I supposed to find anything in here? It's locked. Everything is locked in here. Ah, here's a key. No, not for this one. Maybe for this one. No. Not as well. Maybe the key is somewhere in here. Oh yeah! It's not a screwdriver. Oh, this should work. I don't want to come here twice, so maybe I take a little bit more than I need. Okay, I take the starter screwdriver, and this, by the way, was not my fault. Sorry, Ilham. It definitely was before. It was probably not a good idea to get my tools from the gym. Of course I needed to get a workout in. I mean, I don't go to the gym just to get tools. What are you thinking of me? And now it's pitch black outside. I stayed definitely too long in the gym. That is definitely Fabienne's car. I think I'm a little bit in trouble now, because I left the scooter in the garage, so she was not able to park. I just hope she's not mad at me. Fabienne is mad at me. I got the slotted screwdriver. I think this is part 1 of repairing our scooter. I don't know how much more episode it takes to repair it, but what I do know is that I have to take the bus again tomorrow.
But they jabos though, you know, fresh to death, always and forever. Don't get it twisted, #1 listed, Nitro, with the nice flow, you know.
Okay, now she's really mad at me. Shit!